There's a missing route map over there. Fix that. There are more route tasks to discover. Make sure to apply the route maps, plant flowers, restock first aid kits, and clear fallen logs. Follow the markers to board your train. Sit down in any available seat in the indicated carriage. The original Rosenheim station, one of the first on the Rosenheim-Kufstein-Innsbruck line, was opened in 1857, but soon proved too small when services expanded to Salzburg in 1860. The station was sold to the city of Rosenheim in 1878, where the city still uses the original building as its council offices today. Architect Jakob Graf created designs for a new, bigger station which began construction in 1873 and opened in 1876. In 1890, work to double-track the line to Salzburg began and was completed in 1895, allowing for 242,000 tons of goods to be transported around the year 1900. In 1944, the railway was destroyed and the entire track system was rebuilt. In 1957, the new station building was opened, as well as mechanical signal boxes being replaced with electromechanical relay signal boxes. Four new stations were recently planned, including upgrading some parts of the track to triple line to allow for the Salzburg S-Bahn to operate. The first station to open was Salzburg Taxum Europark, opening in 2006. With the next station, Salzburg-Liefering, opening in late 2013. Go cross-border and shuttle along the rural, mountainous backdrops of Europe in Train Sim World. Take a trip back to the early 2010s and climb aboard the classic electric BR111. This is Train Sim World, Bahnstrecke Salzburg-Rosenheim. In this training module, you'll be learning how to drive the DB BR111 electric locomotive. Climb aboard the loco cab. Sit in the driver's seat. Open the passenger doors to allow boarding. train is now ready to depart. Set the reverser to forward. This controls the direction of travel. Release the brakes and prepare to depart the station. Power in this locomotive is delivered through a combined tap changer and Z-control lever. This can be used as a traditional tap changer or by using the Z-control to hold the taps. In this training module, you'll be learning to use the tap changer. In coasting, move the throttle to the off position, and this will stop any power being applied through the tap changer. Coasting is a method used to efficiently maintain speed and reduce motor stress and maintenance requirements. Keeping to speed limits is important. If you begin overspeeding, apply a small amount of braking force by moving the brakes into the braking range. The BR111 is the successor to the BR110, designed to allow for faster speeds on passenger services thanks to its new bogie design, improving on comfort and speed. The first unit was built in December 1974 at the Krauss-Maffei workshop. In the next 10 years, a further 226 locomotives were built. The train's 4 electric motors supply 3,720 kilowatts, or 4,990 horsepower, and allow for speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour, or 100 miles per hour. Approaching the station, begin applying a small amount of braking force by moving the brakes into the braking range. Nice job. The train has safely come to a stop. You can now open the doors. Good work. That concludes all the basics of operating this train. In this training module, you'll be taken through the operation of a 766.2 DBPB ZFA DB. Insert the reverser handle to begin. Unlock the brakes with the brake key to allow braking to be controlled from this cap. Set the reverser to forward. This controls the direction of... For this introduction, you'll be driving the train a short distance and performing passenger operations. Open the passenger doors to allow boarding. Now you have the side selected, use the door release switch. Close the doors before departure. Now you can apply power and get moving. Now you've built up some speed, you can return the throttle to the off position. Coasting is a method used to efficiently maintain speed and reduce motor stress and maintenance requirements. You're approaching the station. Begin applying a small amount of braking force by moving the brakes into the braking range. Nice job. The train has safely come. Good work. That concludes all the basics of operating this cab car.